The Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline offers 3 free services to help you quit. Just pick the one that's right for you. First is the Helpline's All Access service. It includes a welcome kit, handy emails, tech support, web coaching, your choice of patches, gum, or lozenges, and at least one call with a certified quit coach who guides you through the quitting process. With All Access, you get the best of what the Helpline has to offer and your best chance of staying tobacco-free. Or you may just want to choose to quit using online support. That's why the Helpline also offers web coaching. Signing up for this online-only service includes email, a quit guide, and a 2-week supply of patches, gum, or lozenges. You can also choose to add text support. Plus, you unlock tools that help you track progress, calculate savings, chat with quit coaches, and join community discussions. The best part? You can quit at your own pace. No phone calls required. A third option is individual services. With this option, you can build your own quit plan and pick the services that work for you. Whether it is a guide to get started, emails and text messages loaded with tips, or a 2-week supply of patches, gum, or lozenges, the Helpline offers non-judgmental, personalized help on your tobacco-free journey. Thinking about quitting? Call 1-800-QUIT-NOW or visit okhelpline.com.